Welcome to our ninth
She's the one of the
vlog.
yes, but
This is my
most crazy.
motherfucking classmates.
Life update, kakatapos ng exam. Hindi pa tapos.
Ay,
Ay,
naman yung best friend mo ba?
ano, first day of exam.
Tiyadakda. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Wala, sinauwi ko.
Bye-bye.
Uy, makisabayak ka. Sayang.
Kala. Come on.
Bye-bye.
We have here Lincoln. This is the first day of examination. I thought I was not going to take all the exams, but I was so lucky. I took all the exams. Yeah, you can see.
Yeah. Price is maggulo din.
Vlogger.
Ano to? Ilang? First day of exam.
Yes, this is our first day of exam. And our mind is,
Yes. And you can see we're nag-hike. Tingnan niyo yung bag ni May. Nag-hike kami. Nasa top of the mountain kami. Look.
yes.
Yes.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Ay, mag-ama pala here. Yung maputi at yung ano.
Ayan,
Yes. Who's
a
okay?
question.
What's the question?
If you are given the chance to vote, who is your
I'm going to vote who?
municipal mayor?
I don't know.
In your opinion?
I don't know who's the most municipal mayors.
You are not aware.
Okay, that's where the ends. Bye-bye!
Yung BFK niyan. Ito yung Sigma namin. Sigma girl. Sigma girl. Yung Sigma boy. Sigma boy. Sigma boy. Ito yung the second Sigma. Oh. Green daw, green. Laptop na one. Laptop. Oh, abing bangkin pa. Wow, geng-geng sila guys. Hindi ako geng-geng ko. Geng-geng. Oyot! Di mo na jersey? Ako kami siya. Okay, number niya yun. Like, foul. Ito ang ganap sa aming paaralan ngayon. Wala na po. Gago, nagmalas ulit. Bobo.